Hey everybody, this is Keith O'Brien with theauthenticnetworker.com, coming at you from down in Fort Lauderdale. So today's video is going to dive into this killer Facebook app that I found and just started working with on my Facebook page with some great results. Just getting into it and what can be created through this app is pretty awesome. Of all the apps that I've ever used, most of them have been moderately disappointing. This app is awesome, right? So it's made by a company called 22 Social, and I'm going to walk you through how simple the installation is and some of the things that you can do with it. So what I have found on this app is it really creates an opportunity for you to make your Facebook page look like your marketing budget is unlimited. All right, so here you're looking at my Facebook page. Nothing super special about this yet. I am still playing with this and working with it, just getting it going. You wouldn't see this when you first came in. That would be closed up. Boom. So, you know, most people's pages look just like this, right? You know, you've got some articles down here, you got some comments, boom. Now, my next step, I literally just installed this app yesterday, so I haven't even changed the icons here in terms of the image design. But if you can tell, you can change all of this stuff down here. So I'm just going to click on the Make Money tab, and this is the app. Okay, so your visitors aren't going to see this part up here, obviously. So they're going to start just like that, which, look how slick this looks, right? Okay, so you've got control over all of your content up here. You've got control over the background, how it looks. You've got control over the copy. You've got control over the video. This is my Shit Marketer Save video, which I think sets people up really well. And then all of this is controllable, okay? So you've got control of layouts. I'm going to show you here in a second. I'm going to actually walk you through an install, okay? And it publishes all your Facebook content here, right? So just really, really slick, right? So a couple things I'm going to point out to you here. I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to put a new tab on, okay? So I'm going to walk you through how this looks. So when you install the app, right, and there's a free version, there's a paid version, obviously. You can test drive the paid version for just $2 for the first month. So when I get into a new product, I always like to utilize the full version first rather than the free version, because I like to see what it really is capable of. And what usually, you know, a company is going to offer a trial the first month for $1, $2, free sometimes. You know, definitely always a discounted rate. And then I use it for the full 30 days and cancel if I don't like it, right? So, or go back to the free version. So I never like to test drive a product with the free version because you just don't get the full bang, right? So it's cool. All the social media stuff is integrated. Tweeting, sending it to a friend. And what's cool about this, if you use this internal feature to send it here, I'm just going to show you how this looks. You can enter someone's email address. You can go right to someone on Facebook. Okay, boom. And what's cool is the app automatically determines what kind of where they're viewing it from. So if you've noticed on Facebook, a lot of the Facebook pages are not mobile ready. So as long as you send it through the internal features here, it automatically determines whether or not they're looking at it on a mobile device, an iPad, an iPhone, a Droid, or on a computer, and it'll convert your page into mobile ready, which is really, really awesome, right? Okay, so I'm going to walk you through a setup which is really basic, all right? You click on the My Pages there, add another page. All right, I'm going to add another page right on this same one, okay? It's going to auto-link some of your information already. We're going to put public figure here. create page, and bada bing, bada boom, the page generator from 22 Social, bam. Okay, now you're ready for customization. Okay, you're going to give them access because they're awesome. I'm going to point out a couple of features here. Okay, so this is going to take you right to your page, right? So it's going to drop in some stuff that is just part of the backdrop, right? They'll put it in as a placeholder, right? So your page title is going to take place of your headline. So first thing you get to do is choose your layout, right? So you can choose all kinds of different layouts. You got to have 8 different ones to choose from, right? So, like for example, for me, I went with the basic here, and it gives you because I like having my headline, my video, and a little supporting text, and my opt-in right up here in top. So that's what I'm going to go with. Okay. Now I just did one for a client of mine who has a physical location. So we did a basic with a map. Okay, and installed that map in there. Right. Okay. So now you've got the layout selected, and you can dive right into content. Okay. So look how simple this is, guys. Edit text. Okay. Grab. This is a promo page for my ebook called Get Real and Get Paid. And all right, then you preview it. Boom. I'm going to play with that a little bit. I don't like 100% how that looks. Ooh, what the heck happened? Okay, so that's interesting. It's always nice to have something like that happen in a video. Get your free copy of Get Real and Get Paid now. I like that better. Okay, so now that's set, right? I'm gonna play with the background a little bit. Let's see here. Here's what's cool, right? So we can go in. I'm gonna pull up. Probably should have got into my YouTube account first. But that is okay. This is real time, right? Okay. For now, I'm going to use this video again. Just to.
It's a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Okay. I heard you. Just want to tell you real time how long this
takes. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yeah, I know. It's the next big thing. Okay. So we're just going to take this little code right here. Go back over here, drop that in there, bam, bam, right? All right, cool. And I mean, look at this. You can use, in that media box, you can use a photo, you can use YouTube, you can use a Google Hangout, which is sick, and any of the other, some other media. But Google Hangout, man, just record it, goes right to YouTube, bam. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so the heading, now you got a sub-headline. Can you make money online being you? Okay, bam. Gonna erase all this. Keith O'Brien has 20 plus years in direct sales and has earned close to 1.7 1.7 million in commissions. Go inside his head and learn how to build your business around your core values. It is boom, boom, boom. Anyway, so I'm going to go back and play with that copy in a little bit. Okay, so it just posts it right there. Super, super simple. Okay, and then your buttons here. Now I'm going to jump over to my blog, right? Okay, and I'm going to go to op.authenticnetworker.com. Here is my, I'm sorry, slash. I'm going to go to my blog. That's not right. All right. So you've got this, then you've got right over here. I'm going to go to my capture page over here. Okay, and actually what I'm going to do, see, this is what's really cool, okay? This is what's super cool. There is, how this works is, I'm going to actually go, I'm not going to go to my capture page because I'm going to tell you why in a second. This is on my blog. I'm going to go to my sales page on my blog, and here's why, okay? So you can control what these buttons say, okay? And I'm going to do get your free ebook now. Okay. Check this out. Okay. So this is what's really sick. Okay. You can go, you can change the button, and then you can actually add this right into a Weber. Okay. I used too many characters for that. Okay. All right. So check this out. When someone comes into your page and they click on this, it's going to do a couple things. First of all, it's going to put them into a CRM. Okay. So SRM, right? Social Relationship Manager. Okay. So if you click on here, it'll pop up a database inside of Facebook of all the people that have clicked on that. Now you get notified when someone clicks on that. Okay, if you want to. And then here's the other cool part about this. Okay, you can, as you saw, you can integrate your list already, right? So I can drop people right when they click on that. It automatically drops them into the list of my choice on Aweber, on my listserv. I mean, guys, that's just so tricked out, right? And I can put them right into my offer, right? So I'm going to draw people from here into my sales page for my ebook. Give them the downloadable version of part 1, and invite people to purchase part 2, right? So this is a sick app, right? I mean, obviously I'm going to go in, I'm going to tweak all this content right down here, play with it a little bit, but guys, there's so many possibilities from this, and I am going to play and spend a lot of my time building my training content inside of Facebook, okay? Can you imagine the promoted post possibility inside of this app? Okay, I mean, just awesome. Okay, so guys, that's going to be a wrap for today. Here's what I'm going to ask you to do. Okay, we're going to go back over to my page, I'm going to put a link on my blog if you're watching this. Just click on this Get Free app here, okay? Again, it's free. If you don't want to pay for the $2 to test drive it, you don't have to, okay? Just click on that link on my if you're on my blog or if you're inside of the system right now. Go ahead and click on it, see how test drive it for a little bit, see how it works, and start marketing on Facebook like a pro. You're awesome. Can't wait to talk with you more. Look for your comments and feedback on both blog and on this Facebook page here in the coming weeks and months. And looking forward to helping you make more money online this year. Bye for now.